So Brent with the Build Show. I want to talk to you more in depth about these windows and kind of what makes a great historic window. Windows are a funny thing. We do a lot of restoration of windows. We work on courthouses and depots and buildings all over the country, restoring 200 years, 100-year-old windows. We build a window today that we know will last 100 years because we're building it exactly the way those are built. Pennsylvania Farmhouse detail, okay, has a few extra little twists and tweaks that make it awesome, right? First of all, we've got these heavy timbers, okay? And I talked about how the heavy timbers in a previous video carry the stone above, right? Create a framework that's a structural framework. But you notice that this frame actually comes out, sticks out from the wall about 2 inches. That's because it's made the same way the windows with the stone are, but these are, because they're siding, there's no stone here, these are set back. So they come out and they really create this projection and this detailing that kind of is distinctive. The fact that we make our sills with solid oak, right, that these are timbered beams in here, means that they twist and move a little bit, giving them character. We use, here in Texas, we use single pane glass, we've used wavy glass, which you'll see a little bit more inside, putty glazing, which we know lasts hundreds of years, right, if done correctly, and these windows are built to last 200 years, right? They're covered, they're not going to get any wind or weather, but they're also going to get, because they've been weather stripped, we get these windows tested, and we know that they last a really long time. Let's go inside. I'm going to show you what the details look on the inside. So here we are on the inside, okay? We've got a stain grade window here because I wanted to show you some of the fun details here. When we make these windows, we peg the joints together. Okay, we've got a square peg that takes this mortise and tenon joinery and locks it together, right? These are white oak windows, so they're never going to rot, right? And look how easy these things work. Okay, so we've got a window that's completely weather stripped. We've got the brass weather stripping. We've got the solid beams, which you can see on the inside here, right? These are the solid beam materials that function really well. And then you can see, if you look through here, the wavy glass. And so we've actually bought restoration glass, right, and put it in here because there's a subtlety of being able to look through the window and go, oh, it looks a little bit wavy out there, just the way those windows looked when they were 100 or 200 years ago. So great looking details, long lasting elements, right, made from solid timbers, the structural element, white oak, weather stripped. This is such a long lasting great window. It adds so much character to the house. This is the way windows should be built. So thanks for joining me. This is Brent Hull, the Build Show Network. I look forward to sharing more of these great details that really communicate character and style in a house, and we'll see you next time.